Ignoring is rarely accidental, and it is almost never about indifference in the way most men assume. Before I explain what to do, I want you to pause and understand something crucial. When a woman ignores you, the story you tell yourself about why it's happening often does more damage than her silence ever could. Men tend to interpret ignoring as rejection, loss, or a power move that needs to be countered. Female psychology doesn't operate that simply. Ignoring is not always about dominance, and it is not always about lack of interest. Very often, it is about control of emotional positioning, both hers and yours. I'm speaking to you as a psychologist, but also as a woman who understands how silence functions in attraction. Ignoring is one of the most misunderstood behaviors in modern dating. Men see it as a problem to solve, women experience it as a space to observe. When she pulls back, delays replies, or suddenly becomes distant, she is watching what happens inside you. Not consciously plotting, not always intentionally manipulating, but instinctively tracking your emotional regulation. Your response to being ignored tells her more about you than any conversation ever could. Most men make the same mistake at this point. They chase, they explain, they seek clarity, they send another message, then another, then one more that pretends to be casual but carries anxiety underneath it. What they don't realize is that chasing does not repair attraction, it collapses it. And the reason has nothing to do with pride or games. It has everything to do with how the female nervous system reads emotional pressure. When a woman ignores you, something inside her is unsettled or untested. It could be uncertainty. It could be curiosity. It could be loss of emotional safety. Or it could simply be that she is reassessing her position. Ignoring creates distance, and distance reveals behavior. Female psychology relies heavily on observing behavior under emotional ambiguity. When clarity disappears, your internal stability becomes visible. This is why chasing is so damaging. It removes the very data she is gathering and replaces it with noise. Men often believe that if they don't act, they will lose her. In reality, when you chase, you confirm her power over the emotional frame. You show her that her withdrawal destabilizes you. That destabilization is not attractive. It does not wound her ego. It inflates it. And inflated egos do not create desire. They create boredom or discomfort. Let's talk about ego for a moment, because this word is often misunderstood. A woman's ego in attraction is not about vanity. It is about emotional impact. When she ignores you and you chase, she feels important. When she ignores you and you unravel, she feels powerful. Power without respect does not lead to attraction. It leads to emotional imbalance. The goal is not to hurt her ego through cruelty or coldness. The goal is to dismantle the illusion that her silence controls your sense of self. This is where most men get it wrong. They think destroy her ego means becoming rude, dismissive, or emotionally unavailable. That approach reveals insecurity, not strength. Female psychology reads performative coldness as reaction, not confidence. What actually destabilizes a woman's ego is emotional self-sufficiency, calm, grounded, non-reactivity. The moment she realizes that her ignoring did not disturb your internal state, the power dynamic shifts quietly but decisively. When a woman ignores you and you do nothing dramatic, something unexpected happens inside her. Her nervous system searches for the reaction it anticipated and does not find it. That absence creates cognitive dissonance. If she expected you to chase and you didn't, she must reassess her assumptions. Am I less important than I thought? Did I misjudge his emotional availability? Is he more grounded than I assumed? These questions do far more to unsettle ego than confrontation ever could. What you must understand is that ignoring is often a test of emotional gravity. She wants to see where the center of your emotional world is located. Is it inside you, or is it attached to her responses? Men who chase reveal that their emotional center is external. Men who remain regulated reveal internal grounding. Female attraction is deeply responsive to this distinction. Now, let me be very clear about something important. Doing nothing does not mean withdrawing emotionally, becoming distant out of spite, or pretending you don't care. Female psychology can sense emotional withdrawal immediately. That feels punitive and insecure. What I'm describing is presence without pursuit. You remain the same man. Your tone stays consistent. Your life continues. Your energy does not spike or crash in response to her silence. Ignoring is only powerful when it creates emotional imbalance. When it doesn't, it loses its leverage. This is why the most effective response is internal, not external. You do not need to send a message to prove strength. You do not need to disappear theatrically. You simply stop trying to regain control of the situation through action. You let her experience the consequences of her own withdrawal without commentary. From a psychological perspective, this works because attraction is rooted in emotional regulation. Women are drawn to men whose emotional state is self-contained. When a woman ignores you and senses that your inner world remains intact, her nervous system recalibrates. She may not consciously think, I need to reach out, but she will feel a subtle loss of influence. And that loss often awakens curiosity. Curiosity is the opposite of indifference. Indifference feels closed. Curiosity feels open. When you chase, you answer questions she hasn't asked yet. When you remain grounded, you create space for questions to form. This is where ego begins to soften, not through attack, but through uncertainty. Many men sabotage this process by checking her social media, reading into online activity, or crafting strategic silence. All of that keeps her at the center of your emotional focus. Female psychology senses focus. Even when nothing is said, energy is felt. The man who truly destabilizes ego is not the one who withholds attention intentionally, but the one whose attention is naturally distributed across a full life. Let's talk about the difference between power and presence. Power seeks to dominate outcomes. Presence allows outcomes to unfold. Women who ignore men are often unconsciously experimenting with power. They want to know if their withdrawal commands response. When it doesn't, power loses relevance. Presence becomes more compelling. This is where ego actually gets destroyed, though that word is misleading. What is destroyed is the fantasy of control, not through humiliation, but through irrelevance. Her silence stops being a weapon because it no longer hits anything reactive. Another important aspect men miss is that ignoring often follows moments of emotional closeness. Women sometimes pull back after connection to regulate intensity. Men who chase interpret this as loss and respond with urgency. Women who pull back expect space, not pursuit. When you give space without emotional withdrawal, you demonstrate emotional intelligence. That intelligence is rare. If she is ignoring you because she is uncertain, chasing removes her opportunity to process. If she is ignoring you because she enjoys attention, chasing feeds that dynamic. If she is ignoring you because attraction is fading, chasing accelerates the decline. In every scenario, chasing works against you. So what do you do instead? You stabilize, you return attention inward, you invest energy where it already exists. You respond if she reaches out, but you do not initiate to repair silence. You allow the interaction to reset organically. This is not a tactic. It is a reflection of self-worth. From a female psychology standpoint, the man who does not chase communicates abundance without words. Abundance does not mean many options. It means internal fullness. Women are drawn to men who do not require them to regulate their emotions. That requirement is exhausting. Ego collapses not when it is attacked, but when it is unnecessary. When a woman realizes that ignoring you did not elevate her importance, she is forced to reevaluate the dynamic. This reevaluation often leads to renewed interest, but even if it doesn't, you retain dignity and emotional stability. One of the hardest truths men must accept is that sometimes ignoring is genuine disinterest. Emotional maturity means respecting that without resentment. The man who remains regulated, even in rejection, leaves a powerful impression. That impression often outlasts attraction itself. Another layer to understand is timing. When you stop chasing, there is often a delayed response. Her curiosity may not surface immediately. Ego does not collapse on demand. It softens gradually as her nervous system realizes that silence did not produce the expected result. Men often panic during this delay and break their own composure. That is the critical mistake. Emotional strength is revealed over time, not in moments of impulse. What you must avoid is turning non-chasing into performance. If you are not texting but internally obsessing, the energetic shift does not occur. Female psychology responds to authenticity, not strategy. True non-attachment is felt, not acted. This is why the real work happens inside you. When her ignoring no longer defines your emotional state, you stop needing outcomes. That independence is what recalibrates attraction. Let's also address something uncomfortable. Some women ignore because they are accustomed to men chasing. When a man doesn't, it challenges their identity. That challenge can feel destabilizing, not because you hurt them, but because you removed a familiar pattern. Patterns are comforting, even when unhealthy. When you disrupt a pattern by staying grounded, ego loses its mirror. There is nothing to reflect superiority or control, only presence. Another mistake men make is assuming they need to teach her a lesson. That mindset reveals wounded pride. Female psychology detects resentment quickly. Resentment repels attraction. Calm detachment does not. Ignoring back, blocking, or acting cold are reactive behaviors. They keep you emotionally entangled. The man who truly shifts the dynamic does not need to signal detachment. He embodies it. Over time, women who ignore grounded men often reappear, not always to pursue romantically, but to restore equilibrium. Silence without effect feels unresolved. Whether or not you choose to re-engage is secondary. What matters is that you did not collapse. The deeper truth beneath all of this is that attraction is not maintained through effort. It is maintained through emotional alignment. Chasing creates misalignment. Presence restores it. When you stop chasing, you are not withdrawing love. You are withdrawing anxiety. Anxiety is what kills attraction. When anxiety disappears, clarity emerges either toward reconnection or closure. If she reaches out after a period of ignoring, how you respond matters. You respond warmly, calmly, without reference to the silence. No punishment, no relief, just consistency. That response communicates emotional leadership. If she does not reach out, you move forward without bitterness. That movement itself is the final dismantling of ego. Indifference rooted in wholeness is powerful. Let me leave you with this truth. Ignoring only has power over men who believe their value is externally assigned. The moment your sense of self becomes internal, ignoring loses its function. The paradox is this: the less you try to reclaim attention, the more visible your emotional stability becomes. And emotional stability is one of the most attractive traits a man can possess. Now reflect honestly. The last time a woman ignored you, did you chase to restore control, or did you allow space to reveal truth? Comment below and complete this sentence without judgment. When I'm ignored, I usually can go shake. If this perspective shifted how you understand female psychology and attraction, subscribe to the channel. I will continue breaking down the deeper emotional mechanics that most people never explain, but everyone experiences.